Yo, yo, yo. It's your boy, Running Drew. Alright, so we got the Genesis 2011 2.0 T. As you can see, it's snowing outside. Yeah. So, we have a problem with the, getting air sounds more than before. We got the intake. Yes, I know it makes a lot of sound once you install it, but my wife's car, she said, you know what I mean? Like more air coming in than usual. And she heard a pop noise. So I took it to 2 car shops and they can't figure it out. So we're back here in the garage. You know what I mean? Check out the baby, you know. Now, I just went to AutoZone. Hopefully I got the right one. I don't know. I would say let me know in the videos, but I'm probably going to put it in before I even upload the video. So, hopefully I got the right one. We're going to take the other one out and see if it looks right, if it matches up. So, what I'm doing, I looked at the forms. The forms are saying, you know, that it's the VVT solenoid, and that is located here. And I will get really close so you guys can see it. So far, I took off this, which has got a weird screw, but you know, use a pair of vice grips. Boy, Tony got me. But anywho, this is the sensor. You want the top one. So it's got a clip on top, and you just push it down, and boom, it comes out. Disconnect it. And see that? There's one underneath it, but you don't want that one. You want the top one. Can't really see it, but yeah. So we'll be back. All right, we're back. So I'm not the best auto mechanic guy. You know what I mean? Can't hold me to this stuff. So there's this clip. There's like this. All right, now there's this clip like this. It goes on top of this. So I went up on it, and I don't think that. So I'm gonna show you guys. This goes in there like that, and I put the screwdriver in it, popped it up like that. Don't do that. Almost went down in there and lost it forever, and that would have been very bad. But yeah, you have to, so in the video, you have to take this off because it's kind of easier to get to it. Now that I got the light on, you see that white one? You have to take this off there to get to the bolt that's holding it down, holding the top one down. There's like a hex screw in there, and they said it's easier for you to get to it when you remove both of those. So, don't do that. Yo! Day 2. Sorry guys, I had to get some parts. So I needed a deep 19. So I went to Home Depot, and you gotta make sure it's like that, you know. And that's what you need to get the sensor off. Well, I guess like the oil sensor is underneath the solenoid. That looks like that. So the screw that goes underneath, see a little hole under there, underneath that, those are like a little hole. That is this. And in order to get this off without stripping it, you need to move the sensor out of the way first. And that's a 19 deep socket. Looks like that. So right underneath of it. And then I put a little piece of paper in the hole because I was scared I would drop the hex screw. I didn't want to lose it. And I put this little rag over top of it, so if it drops, it'll catch the screw. You know what I'm saying? So it wouldn't go under the motor or get stuck somewhere, and then I really got a big problem. So like I said in the beginning of the video, this is hopefully gonna fix the the air noise that we hear coming in more than usual. And hopefully, we'll see. We're gonna take a test drive and see if we hear it. I pray to God, because I would love to get my truck back. My wife keeps driving it, but yeah, let's see. So I'll show you after I got it. So I use the so that's usually in there. This little sensor's in there pretty good. So I used a big flathead screwdriver, and I just stuck it here behind here and popped it that way. Pop like that, you know what I'm saying? And it popped it right out, In another video, guy was saying twist back and forth. I tried that, it didn't work. So it comes out with ease. Boom. And after that, you just pull this out and boom. There it is. This is the VVT solenoid. It's for the intake. I'm hoping this is gonna be the problem. The new one is here, fresh jump. This is It's the new one right here. It's like all oily and stuff. Boom, here it is. Clean that off a little bit. Yeah, they're both the exact same now. Everything lines up. That looks good. Alright guys, it's in. You just slide it in there. It's a little hard, but it'll go in. So, time to put this thing back. Boom! Just took it for a ride, and it sounds good. No lag, no nothing. Now, let's check. Not very mechanically. Not that guy. But make sure I put everything back right. Make sure there's no oil leaking or nothing. But guys, it fixed it. It's not doing it no more. And it's mind blowing to me because I can't believe something like that would cause, such a little thing. And like I say, so if you're having like a noise that's coming from the intake a little bit louder than usual, like air coming from it, I know the intake makes a lot of noise, but this was like more air. Change it out. Hopefully this video helps. So if it does, hopefully it does. Leave a like and comment. Subscribe. Show some love. But we got a few things we're coming up with this. Just trying to do a little maintenance on the car here and there. But the part was, like I said, I went to AutoZone and got it. I think part was $74. This is it right here. The VVT solenoid. It's for the intake. So if you're having that problem, this is it. Hope you guys like it. Like, subscribe. See you on the next one.